everyone! Today we're gonna pick our first peppers. I think I have some of them already, and I'm gonna do a fantastic dish with peppers. So look, this one, but I think this one is the biggest. Let me just see. Or this. Oh, this one is also big. So I'm taking this one, and let me just see the other one. This I will still leave, and this one I'm taking. Yes, this one is very big. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. Look at these beautiful peppers. Homegrown, organic. Now that we have our peppers, we can start cooking today's lunch. So we can prepare all the other ingredients. First we're gonna slide the potatoes. I already peeled it and washed it. We're gonna try to do the same slices. Now we're gonna oil our baker. I'm just putting the oil gently everywhere. And we're gonna put this baker in the oven for 5 minutes on 200 degrees. In the meantime, we're gonna salt it and oil the potatoes that we prepared. After 5 minutes, we put the baker out. We're gonna put the potatoes on. And we put it in the oven for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare and slice one onion. This is what I have. You can put even more. And now it's time for our peppers. I mean, they smell amazing. Believe it or not, the whole kitchen smells like peppers. Just look at this color. I mean, awesome. Like, really, the best part is when you can pick the veggies from your home garden fresh and then just make the lunch with it. I mean, they really smell so delicious. Because I have time, I'm gonna put this in a cup so I have it for planting next year. And I'm gonna dry them, and I'm just gonna slice the peppers like this. And I'm adding it here to the onion. So we have another one. I'm gonna leave this one fresh. And now we're gonna put all this on our potatoes. We put the potatoes out, we turn them all, You can see how beautiful they are roasted on one side. And now we're just gonna add our peppers and onion. And we're gonna put all this back in the baker for about 20 minutes more. Or maybe just 15 is gonna be okay, we'll see. If 15 minutes was enough, I put it out. It depends how roasted you want it to be. I mean, just look at these amazing roasted potatoes with homegrown peppers. I promise you, this is so delicious. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a lovely day. This is divine. Ciao.